Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to stake your liquid crowd loan DOT, or LCDOT for short. First, you want to make sure you're on the Ufritz app. Then you connect your MetaMask as a unified account. If you have not set up a unified account, there's a link in the description with a short video tutorial on how to do so. Once connected, scroll down to the two available LST pools. You can hover over the APRs to see the breakdown of the calculated percentages. For this tutorial, we will enter the T-Dot pool. You can view more information about the pool activity and the LST, and then scroll down to the Stake Your LC.dot section. Select the amount you wish to stake and click Stake Now. Remember, your staked amount will only be available after the crowd loan unlock, around October 24th, 2023. Your MetaMask will open, asking how much LC.dot you would like to allow this transaction to be able to move. This was a protective measure added by the MetaMask team. Select Max, or the amount you wish to transfer, and click Next and Approve. Then confirm the final transaction with the gas fee. Once approved, the current stake section will update with your balance. This is also where you can see the rewards you've earned so far. Congratulations on staking your LC.dot.